Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python. Today we are going to learn about the basic image enhancements, brightness, contrast and the sharpness in the below. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So enhancing images by adjusting brightness, contrast and the sharpness is essential in image processing. Below it provides a simple methods to perform these enhancements. Below are the detailed instructions and the examples. So first we have to install this below. Import the necessary modules, that is image and the image enhance. Okay, so first we will do the loading an image with the image.open. Adjust the brightness with the help of this and image enhance dot brightness with image. Enhance brightness with the factor 1.0 gives an original image. Factor less than 1.0 darkness the image. Okay, factor greater than the 1.0 brightens the image. Okay, so brightness factor 1.5, brightness enhancer dot enhance brightness factor you have to add, then save the brightness image, then optionally display the image of that one. Okay, so let's try to add this. So let me just add this over here. Okay, so first of all we have to do the import. So this is the path that I want need to load. Then I need to just do the imports. Okay, so here we add the imports, right? And the path that I want to enhance the brightness. Okay, so this is the path. Open that one, create an image enhance brightness object, then the brightness factor 1.0, original image 1.0 less than darken the image, greater than brightens the image. Okay, so I am adding the brightness factor, that is 1.5. Save the brightness image and then display it. Let's have a look what exactly the result is. Okay, let's try to run it. Here you can see that it is brighter. And if I just open the original one, so this is our original one, and this is our, let me close this is translated. So this is, and this is the image, and this is the another one. Here you can see that there's a different brightness. Okay, here you can see, right? You can see that there is some brightness, right? So the next one, let's have a look. So this is that one. Adjusting the brightness we have done. Okay, enhancing the contrast. Okay, so with the help of image enhance dot contrast we are going to use. Okay, so enhancing the sharp for the sharpness, you have to use image enhance dot sharpness. Okay, then we have to just add the sharpness vector, then save that simple one. Okay, so combining all the three things, combining the brightness, contrast and the sharpness enhancements, one the last combining all of this stuffs. Let's have a look. Okay, so I just change the path, and we just add the path of the image that you want to enhance the brightness, contrast and the sharpness. Okay, brightness, okay, then contrast, okay, then enhance the sharpness, okay, with the sharpness method, then save the final image, then display. Okay, let's have a look. Let me close this one. Here you can see that this is the image with contrast, sharpness and the brightness. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.